Imagine you and your family moved to a nice home in the Dandenong Ranges to get away from suburbia, and then 3 years later you received a notice that your property was under risk of landslide and restrictions would be in place if you wanted to renovate, extend or rebuild. It's exactly what happened to Kallarama resident Kate, who I spoke to earlier this week about her concerns about the Yarra Ranges Council's proposed amendments to its Erosion Management Overlay, or EMO for short. She told me the notice and further investigation she has undertaken has made her very angry and concerned about the potential impact she may face, including potential increases to her insurance premiums. So what does it mean if your land is proposed to be under an EMO? Well, the main thing is you'll need a geotechnical report before building, which usually costs between $700 and $3,000 or more. These upcoming changes will see the number of homes under the new EMOs increase to 13,724, which now includes 290 homes flagged as vulnerable to potential mudslides under Schedule 2. I also spoke with the founder of East Melbourne insurance claim advisor LMI Group, Allan Manning, about what the average home insurance policy covers and whether the premiums covering homes in a landslide risk zone were likely to rise.
This will allow insurers to identify the risks, the higher risks, and they'll be rating the risk accordingly. I want people to buy on the quality of the product, not the cheapest premium. Insurance is not like refrigerators or washing machines. It's protecting your life's work, and there are massive differences from absolute rubbish that cover nothing right through to Rolls-Royce policies. The vast majority of policies would exclude subsidence in itself. Some may have a right back, or might cover it in the event of but typically if it's storm-related.
Kate told me she would be making a submission calling for the EMO mapping to be reviewed. So if you live in the Dandenongs, check if your insurance covers you for things like landslides or mudslides, and jump on the council's website to share your feedback before Sunday, October 26.